Welcome to Business Live. I'm Mark Croskery. In BL tonight, major investment company QWI Investments Limited, major purchase in their shares. Not a small deal here. Connected party, JAMTeas, purchasing a significant amount of shares here in QWI. It happened late last year, December 13th, December 16th. You're talking about here 40.99 million shares and 5 million shares. It represents 3.37% in QWI's issued share capital. Wow, talk about a huge trade here. Now, Wisynco Group Limited securing Northwest Distribution Center, doing a deal here. They've successfully negotiated and entered into a lease agreement with Factories Corporation of Jamaica. Done deal here to actually lease 26,400 square foot warehouse facility in Hague, Trelawney. It's effective November 1st, 2021 for a period of 5 years with the option to renew. Now, Jetcon Corporation Limited trading in their shares. Jetcon still going through the motions, but they're getting their act together. They had a better quarter, some better numbers coming out recently. Director here selling just under 20,000 shares between December 23rd and 28th, 2021 in Jetcon. Now, some overseas news, very important for your portfolios. Interest rates, the US 10-year Treasury yield jumping, skyrocketing here to 1.75%, 1.75%. Persons, analysts, investors going over the U.S. Treasury Fed minutes released just now, and it really shows a continuing tightening in the marketplace, possibly faster increases or rising rates, creating a big tech sell-off as well in the stock markets. We'll talk about that, and also the Fed coming out and saying it's probably going to sell down, more of its bond holdings or so forth, but probably gets its rate hikes going first before it does that on its balance sheets. Last up, Rivian, all the rage, listed 2 months ago. Well, having a bad week, down something like 18%, 6.5% today, hitting a new 52-week low. Could be an opportunity, but let's see how it pans out. Still a big number, big valuation. So it jumped on NASDAQ 2 months ago. Fiat and Chrysler, the new name, Stellantis, something like that, adding to the downward pressure here. Of course, rising interest rates, but that company announced that Amazon, which is a big investor, big contract orderer for Rivian, is going to provide actually a potential competitor or a competitor with cloud services and in-car dashboard software. So that sent immediately, Rivian down about 5-6%, and the stock down 18% for the week and 53% lower than its high around mid-November. The current market cap, which was all the rage, is now about $75 billion US. Still a big number, and the tech sell-off, as we mentioned this week. What's happening here is interest rates are going up. We spoke about the 10-year US Treasury. A lot of fund managers are getting out of those big tech stocks. They're worried about them. They're going into more proven companies, ones that they feel will have sustainable profitability. So they're rotating out of those tech stocks, such as like a Rivian, and getting into some more comfort plays. That's hurting Rivian stock price as well, with the whole interest rate rising theme. I'm Mark Croskery. This is Business Live.